Following the tragic compound wall collapse behind Bowring Hospital in Bengaluru's Shivajinagar area, compensation cheques of 5 lakh rupees each were distributed to the families of the 7 victims who lost their lives in the incident. The incident took place after heavy rain accompanied by a hailstorm hit Bengaluru, causing the compound wall near the hospital to collapse and claim 7 lives. According to the Chief Commissioner of GBA, Maheshwar Rao, the compensation was provided to the legal heirs of the deceased as per the direction of the Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar. The cheques were distributed by Shivajinagar MLA and also the Chairman of the Greater Bengaluru Authority, Rizwan Arshad, at the Central City Corporation Commissioner's Office Hall on the 10th floor of the PU building on MG Road. Each family received 5 lakh rupees as financial assistance to help them during this difficult time. The compensation was released by the Karnataka government, and MLA Rizwan Arshad along with the Shivajinagar Congress unit has also extended an additional 5 lakh rupees to support each affected family. Central City Corporation Commissioner Dr. K. Harish Kumar and Additional Commissioner for Development Daljit Kumar were also present during the distribution. MLA Rizwan Arshad and Commissioner Dr. K. Harish Kumar expressed their condolences to the bereaved families and assured continued support during this time of grief. The incident has once again raised serious concerns about public safety and the condition of aging infrastructure in the city, especially during extreme weather conditions. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.